Yo, Minnow.
What's up?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. Chilling here in Geneva. About to do my workshop.
Yeah, various women, I'm swimming in like a shark. Hold up, that was the first one, let me run it back and restart. Young Sinatra ripping the beat apart, shining like a diamond when I be rhyming, but y'all in the dark, on point like a poisonous dart. I can feel it now, the fame is coming soon. I can sky be the limit when there's footprints on the moon now. I used to bust tables, now I bust rhymes, spitting lines to the illest of dimes, just to pass the time, living like a dime. Mafiotic mind state, hip-hop heads never die, we multiplied and dominate. Now I've been fluent since an adolescent up into the present, rehearsing flows for various shows, yeah, that's how I roll. Getting respected, never neglected, as I infected, they detected when I dissect it, rip it and wreck it, now that's on the record. As the vinyl spins so slowly, bringing verses like the Holy Bible, my flow is tribal, meet me in the street, homie, I'm liable to get it right then and there. Motherfuckers like where he come from, got music for days and then some. They were stepping confident until I made them run, you know it's logic. In your vicinity, murder evil entities, better known as your enemies. You feel it now, spark the L and you be cool until I'm relaxing. To this audio satisfaction, I leave MCs missing an accent, leave you gashing from 1,000 lashings. While I'm laughing with a passion, stand over you smiling till I hear sirens and now I'm dashing.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
That buck that bought a bottle could've struck the lotto.
Life's a bitch and then you die.
Got rhymes 365 days annual plus some.
Yo,
Plus
this
some,
second
plus
verse
some,
is
plus
dedicated
some.
to rappers that never made it, cause they gave up on their dream and other